Hello my lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a little bit of like a vlog style, cooking style video. These are all my favorite like treat snacks, I guess, that I always like to just have either just like in the fridge, ready to go in my freezer, just on the go snacks, because I do find it really hard to stick to eating plans or like diet or anything like that when I don't have snacks available to me, just like ready to go, or I don't have treaties. And what I mean by treaties is like some chocolatey, gooey goodness, the brownie, ice cream, something that when you're craving, you're going to be like, okay, I really, really need that right now. So these are my go-to snacks. These, I have multiple a day sometimes. Look, I train hard. I look after myself and I train hard, and you might be thinking, why is she always wearing a crop top in her photos? Because I like to. Anyway, so first up, we're going to make my holy grail, my all-time favorite, my ride till I die, wanna marry kind of thing, chicken wing, peanut butter slice. This for me resembles Reese's peanut butter cups, and it does the job for me. When I'm craving, I have one of these and I'm like, oh, chef's kiss. First off, we need a bowl. So we are going to mix the peanut butter. Try and find like the healthiest peanut butter that you can find. Obviously something organic, something with no chemicals. Use the Akka app to scan the peanut butter if you have to. But I'm just using the Maver's dark roasted peanut butter. We want honey. Once again, organic honey, any type of honey, and then almond meal. Okay, so we're going to do 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. I just do this blindly. I don't use measuring cups or anything like that. When it comes to like healthy treats, I find it doesn't really matter as such. I think that a lot of like healthy kind of vegan, whole food, paleo treat type slices are very just like consistency based, so you kind of just keep like adding a bunch of random shit until you're like, oh, that replicates caramel, or until it's like the perfect consistency. I don't know, it's hard to explain. So I just add the honey and the almond meal and the peanut butter until it forms the doughy consistency that I want. So it's like a little bit different every time, but that's totally fine. All right, we've got 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm absolutely obsessed with honey at the moment. I never actually used to like honey that much. And for me, having honey was a little bit more of like I would like have it drizzled on something, or, you know, like a granola, you know, I don't know. But I never went out of my way to actually like order the honey. Lately, the last like 2 weeks, I have been obsessed with honey. I don't know why, but honey has just been absolutely doing it for me for the minute. So anyway, we are going to heat the honey and the peanut butter up until it forms like a gooey consistency. So this morning I walked to the gym, which was fine because I timed it, and it literally only took me 4 minutes to walk to my gym. Like, how crazy is that? And I got halfway through a booty session, and my friend Danica told me she was coming to join me at the gym, which was fine because I still had abs to do, because on like days I do leg and ab. Now, just adding, this is 1 1/4 cups of almond meal. All right, this is the hard part. So anyway, we just want to mix this around until it forms like a dough. Anyway, so she came mid session. And then she did 2 leg exercises with me, and then we continued to do the abs. And lately, abs has been becoming like my favorite. I'm just going to use my hands. Abs has been becoming my absolute favorite exercises to be doing, because like I'm really trying to build my core up, and I understand that abs are made in the kitchen, hence why I eat a whole food diet. Well, 80-20. It's 80-20, okay? I still enjoy my things. Like, I'm on my period this week, and I've definitely had some things. Like, and last night I was craving a McFlurry, but I did say to myself, like, don't do it. So I actually did have my date little treaty things, which we are gonna make today. And it did. It completely curbed my craving. I had a peppermint tea with it. And yeah, I just didn't really feel like having anything after that. And I think I went to sleep and I'm pretty sure I had a pretty good sleep. Okay, now this is not the right consistency. Mine is too crumbly. This would make a really fantastic like base for something. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more of the wet ingredients because I like mine to be quite gooey, and also we are freezing it, so gooey's fine. Otherwise it just completely melts if you have it sitting out like in the pantry or something like that. So it's like a dough, it's nice squishy ball. Lining, using paper to line things is like probably my most dreaded task in the whole world. I hate it. I hate this part. And like anybody who cooks, bakes all the time, like I hate this part. Is there an easier way? Like there has to be, nonetheless. So we're just going to basically put the dough in the thing. You can't see crapola right now, but I will show you. And we're just pressing that down as the base. Okay, so we have here it flattened into the glass jar. It's about that thick. Double it if you want it to be a nice big chunky slice, but mine I just feel like quick grab and goes. We are going to melt some chocolate. Now there is a healthy option for this. Look up like how to do healthy chocolate with like cacao powder and coconut oil, because you can do a healthier base. However, I want the chocolate. The chocolate is within my plan. I can have the chocolate doesn't matter to me. So I'm good, I'm Gucci with the chocolate's going on. So I'm just going to melt the chocolate up and then pour that on top and just chuck that in the freezer. Okay, my chocolate's just microwaving. Next up will be a date, peanut butter and chocolate slice. All of my slices revolve around having peanut butter and chocolate in them because that's my kryptonite. I feel like everybody has that like thing that they're obsessed with, that like when they're craving they just need to have it. For me it's chocolate and peanut butter. I often actually mix chocolate through my smoothies. Hazelnut, like a replica Nutella, like a healthy Nutella, and peanut butter. Mix it through my smoothie with a little bit of honey, and it goes hard like little chunks. Oh, and it's like having an amazing dessert. Like, I don't know if you've ever had acai bowls, and you know like how on the top of an acai bowl, like you might get like a honey drizzle with some like Nutella and peanut butter. It like gives off that vibe when you stir it around in your protein smoothie, as long as the consistency is like frappe consistency. It needs to be like icy and thick. I don't fuck with thin, watery protein powder shakes. No, yuck. Put the chocolate on top. She's stunning, she's beautiful, she's going in the freezer. Stunning, isn't she pretty? Look at that, look at that. I should probably get some content, hey, like I always forget to get content on my phone. I feel like I'll wait till I cut it up, but that's a stunning bar, I love her. Please don't crack. Did it? Not really, kind of. It did. That's all right. I should have warmed the knife up. Totally my fault. All right. That's the one I'm going to taste test. It's fine. All right, you could just leave them like that, but we're not doing that. You know, they sell these in cafes for like $7. Paleo, gluten-free slice. All right, so I cut these up into 3 pieces. You can do it however you like. And then I store them in the freezer. Yeah, see, if these had have set a little bit longer, they would totally not be breaking right now. It's my fault. But I'm just gonna put them in there. Yeah, oh, yum. Honestly, so good. Like the perfect little treaty treat. These need to go back in the fridge for so much longer, but they're just like little barks. I'll come and show you. So they just come out like little barks. Absolutely stunning little gooey bites. But yeah, that's about it. So basically, just let them finish setting overnight. They're good to go in the morning. They've already been cut up. Like I said, you could soften the knife, wait until they're fully set to prevent the cracking if you want to make them look fancy. I don't really care. I just needed snacks. Your girl is on her period and felt a binge coming on last night. So I was like, oh my God, I need my treats. Okay, so got them. They need to go into the freezer. I have to. I can't help myself. All right, there we go. Healthy snacks for the week. And I've got my trail mix. Good to go. We're sorted. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.